To get to the library's list of research databases, go to the Roane State Library homepage at library.roanestate.edu. From there, look for the red heading that says Research Databases and click the link underneath that heading. That link will take you to the A to Z list of all the databases that the library subscribes to, starting with the database named Academic OneFile. This database is produced by a company named Gale, so you see the word Gale there in parentheses afterwards. A lot of our databases are from that company, Gale, so their interfaces will look pretty similar. I'm just going to open the Academic OneFile database to show you how it works. The first time you access the database during a session, you may be prompted to log in with your Roane State email address and password. I've already been into some databases this morning, so I wasn't prompted to log in there. You might be. After you log in, though, you will see the advanced search screen within the database. I'm just going to do an example search for Roman Republic and gladiators. I put that phrase Roman Republic in quotation marks to look for that exact phrase, and I'm going to also search for the term gladiators. If you scroll down in any of the Gale databases, you'll see options to put some advanced limits on your search. The full text option is clicked by default here. That means that all the results we get back will be available in full text. If we didn't check that box, we may get some results that were abstract only, and I'm not really interested in that. So I do recommend in any database you're working with to make sure that the full text option is checked. It is in this case, so I'm going to go ahead and run the search. And it tells me there's no results. So in that case, we could close this database and go search in a different one, or we could change our search terms. Instead of doing Roman Republic and gladiators, I'm just going to do gladiators. I'm going to simplify the search, make it broader, and see what happens. In this case, we get over 1,700 results. So you could skim through and try to see if any of these titles look interesting. Head injuries of Roman gladiators, that might be relevant if I was researching this topic. So I'm going to click on that article title to open the full text of it. There was a little bit of a delay there. So sometimes these databases may take a few seconds to open the content, but we do get to the article here called Head Injuries of Roman Gladiators. I usually skim the abstract or summary at the top of each article to see if it's really going to be relevant. And then if I did want to use this in a paper, you can go up here to the top where it says Cite. It has the quotation marks icon. You can click that and you can get the MLA 8th formatted citation. Or if you need APA, you could switch to APA format. So that again was the Academic OneFile database, just doing a simple search and opening an article in there. It is by this company called Gale, G-A-L-E. And a lot of our databases, like I said, are from Gale, so they'll all have a very similar interface to that one. Different databases from other companies will look slightly different, so you can view the other screencasts about how to search within those. And as always, please reach out and contact the library if you have any questions or run into problems searching within any of these databases.